Hi, so I'm Paulo Saranga, representing FLIR Systems, and I am Asia Pacific Business Development Manager. Okay, and I'd just like to explain to you a little bit about FLIR Systems. So FLIR Systems is a world leader in infrared manufacturing, production and sell. It sells more infrared cameras than any other competitor put together in the world, and we have developed over time an extensive range and broad range of applications in which we operate. So today here I'm representing security and surveillance, but we also have business in electrical, building, automation. We have also automotive products that are installed today in BMWs and Bentleys. We have systems for aviation, we have systems for military. There's a broad range of products, okay? I'd just like to focus on security and surveillance. So today I did a seminar, and the seminar was mainly about introducing the different applications that we can do with our thermal imaging camera in airports, okay? So we talked about perimeter detection. We talked about tracking planes in landing and also taxiing to the runway and taking off. We talked about apron security, and I demonstrated simply the functionality of a thermal imaging camera as opposed to a standard daylight CCTV camera. Okay, and I showed the differences, and the main difference is that daylight cameras need daylight and thermal imaging cameras can operate day or night irrelevant of the light source in the same way and detect very high contrast and very precise imaging which allow video systems, video management systems and analytics to detect alarms, to be able to understand, pre-record for post-analysis, any type of activity that's needed for security purpose. Okay? I also showed a concept, and I proved the concept to many people in the room, that there is a notion that thermal imaging camera is expensive, but actually the notion of expensive is totally wrong, because in the context of a thermal imaging solution compared to a CCTV, in an example application which is our most important application, perimeter detection, our camera has much longer range than a daylight camera. Daylight cameras need to be installed in higher numbers and need a complementary technology to illuminate certain areas. So in the space of 250 meters, CCTV camera needs to be installed 4 or 5 times with lights, with LEDs, with all kinds of bits and pieces which create a solution. Thermal imaging cameras can be installed in one single unit, and that unit can cover the same amount that 5 cameras can cover in the daylight. So when we compare 250 meter solution in perimeter against thermal and daylight, it's half price. Thermal imaging today is not only half price, it also has less installation, less maintenance, and the most important thing is, and I really tried to stress this today, the important thing is that thermal imaging cameras, when they're used in conjunction with analytics, are far superior in detecting and giving a true alarm status. Daylight cameras are creating a lot of false alarms, a lot of false positives, which we call that in the industry, and this is typically what you don't want in a perimeter detection. Okay, so I think the seminar was quite interesting to all. I hope so. Anyway, questioning after was very good, so I'm very happy.
Remember the question to...
Yes. Of course, the question was about our new introduction, which we are introducing now, wide dynamic range. It's a new technology we're introducing in all of our security cameras now. It is increasing and improving our already noted digital detail enhancement and automatic gain control systems, which improve image quality. So wide dynamic range, in the same way it does in CCTV cameras and CMOS cameras today, we are improving the image quality and the contrast regardless of the conditions. This is just another step that FLIR is taking to improve and excel in the business that it does.
Let's talk about this exhibition or seminar. What do you think?
COEX. I think COEX is a very, very interesting exhibition.
Security Korea.
Yeah, Security Korea exhibition is very good. I think there's a nice and good amount of people walking around this exhibition. There seem to be a lot of interested parties, a lot of professionals as well, looking to do scout for new technologies, and also there seems to be a lot of end users looking for understanding and some further education on the technologies available. I'm personally very impressed with this exhibition. For sure I will do it again.